Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Body Fit and Health Cure today. We're diving into a topic: liver detoxifying, but fear not. We've got some fantastic natural remedies to help you get back on track without any harsh chemicals or medications. We'll be focusing on the incredible powers of the natural remedies for the solution of detoxification of liver. Before we dive into today's exciting content, I want to take a quick moment to ask for your support. If you enjoy the valuable information and insights we provide in this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell, you'll never miss out on our latest updates. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to show your love by giving it a thumbs up and dropping a comment below. Sharing is caring, so spread the knowledge by sharing this video with your friends and family. Now, let's jump into today's topic. For making this delicious and healthy remedy for liver health, we need all the following ingredients. 1 cup spinach leaves. Spinach is rich in chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier that helps the liver neutralize and remove toxins. 1/2 cucumber. Cucumber proper hydration is essential for the liver's detoxification processes, and both cucumber and coconut water provide valuable hydration. 1 small beet. Beets contain betaine and antioxidants, which support the liver in breaking down toxins. 1/2 lemon juice. Lemon juice encourages the liver to produce more enzymes for detoxification. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger reduces inflammation in the body, aiding overall liver function. 1 green apple. Green apples provide essential vitamins and fiber for digestion, supporting the liver indirectly. Instructions for how to prepare this remedy. Wash all the fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Peel and chop them as needed. Start by adding 1 cup of fresh spinach leaves into your blender. Add cucumber, beetroot, lemon, ginger and green apple. 1. Blend to perfection. Blend all the ingredients until you achieve a smooth, vibrant green consistency. If you prefer a colder smoothie, add some ice cubes before blending. 2. Serve and enjoy. Pour your liver detoxifying green smoothie into a glass and savor the freshness. Drink it in the morning as part of your daily routine. This liver detoxifying green smoothie is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that help your liver function at its best, promoting overall well-being and vitality. Including it in your diet can be a delicious and refreshing way to support your body's natural detoxification processes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy. See you in the next video.